Hey y'all. Okay, so today I am making some spaghetti and I'm gonna show y'all what I use in my spaghetti. So I have ground beef here and some Italian sausage. This is hot Italian sausage turkey, and just regular ground beef. I have some butter here, my spaghetti noodles, of course. I have 2 cans of traditional pasta sauce. I get traditional so that I can add my own seasonings to it. Ground black pepper, Italian seasoning, the Saison Goya. I just put it in this container. Some tomato paste, a green bell pepper, red onion, salt, and my garlic, of course. You know I can't make nothing without my garlic. So first I got the water over here boiling so that I can get my noodles cooked. Okay, so in another pot here I have on like medium low, I'm going to add in my butter. That's almost a full stick of butter. I'm going to add all of that in there, let that melt. Now you add as much butter as you would like. It depends on how much spaghetti you're making. I normally make a lot of spaghetti, so that's why I put so much butter in there. I know y'all probably like, dang, why you put so much butter? But no, I'm making quite a bit of spaghetti. So once that's about melted, you're gonna go in with your veggies, my red onion and my green bell pepper, and get those cooked up a little bit. And also to this, I'm going to add in my garlic. I love garlic, so I add a lot of garlic to my food. And you also want to add in your tomato paste. Now people wonder why their sauce does not stick to their noodles, or it seems runny or like watery. Is because you don't add tomato paste, or you don't add enough tomato paste. So that's what the tomato paste does, is makes your sauce. So you want to give this a good stir and let it go for a little while. You want to get that raw taste out of that tomato paste. So you want to let that cook just for a few minutes, maybe like 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so after you've let that cook for a little bit, you're going to add in your meat. So you guys, I take the casings off of my sausage just because it's gross and I don't want it on there. So that's up to you though, but I do take it off. You're going to add all your meat in. Get this all mixed in. I'm just getting this all mixed in. Okay, so the meat has been cooking for a little while. So now I'm going to start seasoning. Depending on how much liquid your beef, it depends on what kind of ground beef you get, but sometimes it produces a lot of oil or liquid, so you may have to drain it. Some people drain theirs. I don't normally drain mine, so I'm gonna go in with some of the Saison, some black pepper, Italian seasoning, some salt, and some crushed red pepper flakes if you like it spicy. Give it a good mix to get all your seasonings in there. So now I'm gonna let this go and just cook a little more to get the meat a little more cooked before we add in the sauce. Now what I do to my noodles while they're still hot is I add a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little bit of butter. Just give it a good mix, and I just sit it here until my sauce is done. And I just find that it helps the noodles not stick together, and it also tastes good. So okay, so this has been cooking for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna add my sauce in now. Okay, so this has been cooking for about another 10 minutes. Just gonna stir it a little bit. And this is basically done. This is how the sauce looks. You got all your veggies in there, tomatoes and onions and peppers, garlic, a nice thick sauce, and it will stick to your noodles. Now, I don't like my spaghetti mixed, so I'm not gonna mix it. So I'm going to plate it up and show y'all how it looks with some garlic bread and maybe some salad. I don't know yet. But yeah, this is basically it. This is the sauce.